at Ejahaga Macau Tower. It's a cloudy Monday afternoon, and then we're going to meet our bungee jumper right there. Hello! Anong pangalan mo, sir?
Ako naman, sir.
Saka sa atin sa Pinas.
Manila. Kausapin na.
Okay, first time mong tatalon? So how do you feel right now? Ayos lang. So, are these your friends?
Hello!
Okay. Yome kung... Pangyo.
Yame kung gagawin. Bye! Good luck!
Good luck! Good luck! So, sir, meron ka bang gustong sabihin bago ka tumalon?
I love you.
Okay, sir. Mamaya kita tayo sa dulo. Bye-bye! Okay, now guys, you can see this Filipino crazy guy is waiting for him to cue in and waiting for the giant master to tell him to walk right to the edge. And walking right to the edge, of course. Okay, we're going to wait for a while. I think they're going to... No, they're going to use the black cord now. Yes, see him. Look at him. Fearless. Five, four, three. And that is going to be his first stretch. So fast, huh? And now we're back here at T61 with John Master, Mr. Ken!
Good. Hi, everybody. In the world. Welcome. See you next time.
Okay, maraming salamat sa iyong pagtalon. Kita tayo sa susunod. Bye-bye. Bye-bye!